Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I wanted to show you how little fatwood it takes to start a smalls, mediums, and larges fire. Let me show you this fatwood. I'm sure that you recognize this fatwood bearing block that I use for bow drill. I'll put a link in the description to the video where we built it. And this lanyard is long enough for a bow drill bowstring. This can be used for bulk fatwood as you need it. And as these divots get deeper and deeper, I need to take and scrape fatwood off of here to make those divots usable again. And that's what we're doing today. We're just going to go ahead and take this front side down. Now let's put some fuel wood on the bottom. This will be sort of like an upside down fire. Then I'll put the mediums and smalls on top of that. All right, these larges are as big around as my index finger. The mediums are about the size of a pencil. Let's go ahead and put a whole bunch of mediums on there. And here's a pile of what's going to be the smalls. All right. And these smalls are pencil lead size on up to, about twice that size. And here's the handful of smalls, which are really what's going to make that transition from the fatwood tinder over to the actual wood burning. All right, I got a good sharp spine on my Stanley 10-049. Now the bearing block is ready to go again. And that is a small amount of fatwood. That looks like a lot of fatwood because it's all fluffed out. But that is not. Let me show you how easily we can start a fire with just this much. Keychain ferro rod. 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16 in diameter. Turn it towards the wind. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.